Today is September 10th, 2025. I am in Brussels, Belgium. It's about 7:30 in the morning local time. I just stepped out of my hotel. It's called the City Box. The surroundings are quite historic. Morning. And this is the hotel called the City Box. I booked for 3 nights, about $90 US dollars a night. I think this is their cafe. I had some croissant this morning. This is their famous bakery called the Paul. I tried once or twice before, really like their bakery. The buildings remind me of many other European countries. Austria, in particular, I just went to Austria in March 2025. They look pretty much the same. City Box is right next to the metro station called the Lisa, and you see there are trails, train trails on the road. It's me. Today is September 12th, 2025. I'm on my way to depart Brussels and taking a train to Luxembourg. This is the hotel room I stayed at for the last 3 nights. Nice big window. And it opens out in the European way. Let's see if I can get this to work. Right, so it's a European way of opening. Functional, decent size, a double bed. My luggage. One more time. Out on the street view. The area was good. Bathroom was good. It's all pretty good.